Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Indonesia school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.sph.edu. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of SPH Indonesia. In this main page menu available. In this menu one of the option employment. If you click this link employment you can get the direct link of employment teaching job vacancies. I will give it to the direct link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. In this employment page, what are the vacancies for academic year 21-22, 22-23? So here we invite you to review our current job openings for immediate consideration and begin the application process for current or future opening. SPH offers competitive compensation benefits. Benefit include health insurance, retirement plan, housing relocation and travel allowances for expatriate employees. So what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 21-22 and 22-23? So opportunities at SPH, the openings listed below include openings for all 5 of our campus. So we welcome application at any time regardless of current opening. To submit an application for a position that is not currently open, place expression of interest for future employment as the job title applied for. So your subject vacancies is not available also, you can apply, but you have to mention expression of interest for future employment as a subject title in your email. So what are the teaching opportunities for academic year 21-22? Elementary English teacher for grade 1 and 2, learning support teacher, PE teacher, and 22-23 opportunities: chemistry, science teacher, educational technology specialist, elementary teacher, English as an additional language specialist, math specialist, reading specialist, wood tech teacher. So these are the vacancies for 22-23 academic year. So here they are given. If 1 star is mentioned, that job is for only expatriate educators only. Preference to candidate whose first language is English. Otherwise it is 2 stars mean it is for Indonesian national educators only apply that job. If the 3 stars mean open to expat and national educators. So here all the jobs are 1 and 3 star only. There is no 2 star. This is all the jobs for open for both foreigners and Indonesian candidates too. So Indonesian teaching job opportunities available in the right corner. So successful teacher SPH have the following characteristics. So here they are given. So commitment to grow and mature in their personal relationship with Christ. So make sure before applying please check all the details. Before applying please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. So what are the employment process? The employment process for Indonesians is available in the left corner. So for non-Indonesians, that means foreigner, you have to follow these steps 4. The first step is you can submit your job application form via email expat.recruitment@sph.ac.id. Here they are given. So complete SPH first step application form and submit via email. So hiring decision will be made on rolling basis as positions are available. All applicants are encouraged to submit step 1 application at the earliest convenience. So what are the job application for SPH? This is job application for SPH Indonesia. This is only 4 page in this application form. This application form should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. There are only 4 sections in this application form. You will require to send up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 page, and your qualification and certificate, your degree copies and transcript you have to send via email. The first one is your personal information. Position of interest. please attach the following with your pre-application form. First, you have to attach your CV, include your educational background, degrees and work experience, a cover letter stating with your interest and sense of calling to teach internationally and specifically with SPH. Please give a short synopsis of your faith journey. Briefly describe what good teaching is. So you have to attach these 4 things in your job application form. Once you have submitted the job application form, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So you have to send this job application form expat.recruitment@sph.ac.id at your earliest convenience. Please anticipate a response within a week of submitting your application. We look forward to getting to know you and prayerfully considering your interest. So this is the first step on job application form. Step 2. Once step 1 application will be reviewed and we will respond within 1 week. Step 3. We review your first step application. We may ask you to complete our full application for a specific position. The full application involves providing in-depth responses. As such, we don't request everyone to complete the full application unless we intend to move ahead with your interest. So once you have shortlisted for pre-application, they will send another step 3 application. Once you have submitted the step 3 application, they'll review it and they may expect a reply within 2 weeks. Step 4. Once we receive your completed application, we will review it and you may expect a reply within 2 weeks. Step 5. Interviews will be initiated after receiving the full application. So this is the procedure for SPH Indonesia. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.